Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel, Tech in Resham. Are you sick of paying for streaming services like Netflix? Do you already have media that you want to watch on multiple devices? Look no further than Jellyfin and Plex. Jellyfin and Plex are both free software media systems. You can host them on different devices, from network-attached devices to powerful computers or even virtual machines. You don't have to pick just one media system. You can use both systems running in a virtual machine and switch between them whenever you want. Today, we're going to set up our Ubuntu Desktop on Proxmox, which is a great virtualization system. First, create a virtual machine using the Ubuntu Desktop ISO. If you have a graphics card and want to use it for transcoding video in different resolutions and formats, select VirtGL CPU in the graphics card settings. Make sure to give the virtual machine enough storage, because media formats can take up a lot of space, especially if they're 4K or higher. Higher CPU and memory RAM will make the media server run smoother. Once the virtual machine is up and running, go to the console section to see the display and start setting up the desktop. Enter your name, computer name, username, and password. Click Next to continue the installation and restart the virtual machine once the installation is complete. Alright, let's get started with setting up Jellyfin and Plex on your desktop. First things first, log in using your username and password. Before we begin, we'll need to install a handy tool called curl. It's like a downloader for our media systems. To install curl, just type sudo apt install curl into the terminal. Once that's done, we'll install our first media system, Jellfin. We'll use curl and the Jellfin URL to download and install everything we need. The terminal will show you the Jellfin URL, so you can copy it and test it out in a browser. Now, create an account for Jellfin. And add your media location. I skipped this step since I don't have any media yet. If you want to access Jellfin from your TV or phone, enable Allow Remote Connection to this server. Now, Jellfin is all set. Just download it on your TV or mobile and connect to it. Next, we'll install the Plex server on the same Ubuntu desktop. Go to the Plex server download page and download the package. Install it. And then open your browser and enter the web URL as shown. You'll be taken to the landing page, where you need to either sign up or log in to your Plex account. If you want more features, you can subscribe to Plex Pass, but we'll skip that for now. If you need remote access, check the Allow me to access my media outside my home option. Just like Jellfin. You need to specify the library type and location of your media. You can find your IP address in your network settings and copy it. Try accessing it from a virtual machine. As I tested both media systems on my Mac Mini and it worked great. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions or want to learn more, leave them in the comments section. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.